Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of data structures, specifically implementing a priority queue using a Min-Heap in C#. If you're a beginner developer, don't worry, I'll break everything down step by step. Let's get started. What is a priority queue? A priority queue is a type of data structure where each element has a priority. Elements are served based on their priority, with the smallest element, in our case, served first. We will use a min-heap to implement this. What is a min-heap? A min-heap is a binary tree where the parent node is always less than or equal to its children. The smallest element is always at the root of the tree. Here is a visual representation of a min-heap. In this example, we'll create a min-heap with the following elements: 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 17. The smallest element 3 is at the root. Left child of tree 4 and right child of tree 5 are greater than or equal to 3. Children of 4, 10, and 15 are greater than 4. Children of 5, 20, and 17 are greater than 5. This structure maintains the min-heap property, which each parent node is less than or equal to its children. Using an array for the heap. We'll use an array to represent our heap. Here's the structure. For any element at index I, the left child is at index 2i plus 1, the right child is at index 2i plus 2. The parent is at index I minus 1 divided by 2. Each insertion maintains the min-heap property by ensuring that each parent node is less than or equal to its children. Let's define our priority queue class. Heap is the array to store our heap elements. Heap size tracks the number of elements in the heap. Priority queue int max size. This is the constructor of the priority queue class. It takes an integer max size as a parameter, which defines the maximum number of elements the heap can hold. Heap equal to new int max size initializes the heap array with the specified maximum size. Heap size equal to 0 sets the initial size of the heap to 0, indicating that it is currently empty. In our next video, we will dive into how to implement the push and pop methods for our priority queue. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time.